So I found this Skinny Pop popcorn, which I love, but they have it so you can microwave it. They have warm popcorn, and it pops up in the box. So it looks like this when it comes out in this plastic. So I have it out. It says 27 calories per cup. So pull the 2 blue tabs outward to form a box. Okay. I'll set you down for a second here. Okay, so pull the tabs outward. Oh, see, it pops up just like that. Hopefully you can see that. So, now it is popped up. I think that you just stick it in the microwave. Place the form box in microwave 1.5 to 2 minutes. So there's the box. Hopefully you could see it when I filmed it, or did it. You just pull the tabs out and then it pops it up. And then you can eat it right out of the box. So let's see how this works. And do 2 minutes. And then when it slows down, then I will obviously take it out. I'm kind of excited. I got the butter flavor. They did have a sea salt flavor. There's the nutrition facts. So I'll let that cook and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like at the end. Alright, it's all done. So I'm going to pull it out. Ooh, there we go. It smells good. It smells like movie theater popcorn almost. Tastes good. So, that's my microwave Skinny Pop. So good. I love that it's warm too. Anyways, thought I would share that with you because I had never seen them before. And they're on Cartwheel this week at Target too. So, check them out. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.